Everyone talks about success. People want success in studies, business, jobs, fitness, money, relationships, and even personal dreams. Some say success comes from luck. Some says success comes from talent. Some says success comes from money. But if you look closely at the real stories of successful people, there is always one powerful rule behind their achievements. That one rule is simple. That one rule does not require money. That one rule does not require talent. That one rule can be followed by anyone. That one rule works in every field of life. So, what is that rule? The one rule for success is stay consistent. Yes, consistency. A simple word, but a life changing power. What consistency really means? Why consistency is the strongest force in success? How consistency beats talent, luck, and intelligence? Why most people fail even with big dreams? How to stay consistent even when you feel tired, lazy, or unmotivated? How to build a routine that grants progress? How small habits create massive results? How to overcome distractions? How to stay consistent when life gets tough? How consistency becomes a part of your identity? And finally, a strong closing message for you. They will feel calm, confident, and ready to improve their life with one powerful rule: consistency. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What consistency really means? Most people think consistency means perfection. They think consistency means working hard every day at 100% energy. They think consistency means never failing, but that is not true. Consistency does not mean perfection. Consistency simple means showing up again and again. Even if you are not perfect, even if you are tired, even if you are slow. If you go to the gym 3 days a week regularly, you are consistent. If you study 1 hour every day, even slowly, you are consistent. If you work on your dream a little bit every day, you are consistent. Consistency is not about speed. Consistency is not about intensity. Consistency is not about showing off. Consistency is not about simple study, continuous action. Think of a water drop falling on a rock. One drop does nothing, 10 drops do nothing, but thousands of drops create a hole in the rock. Small actions repeated for a long time create big results. This is the power of consistency. Chapter 2. Why consistency is more powerful than talent. Let's compare two people. Person A is very talented but works only when he feels motivated. Person B is average but works every single day, even at a basic level. Who will win? Always person B. Talent gives you a head start. Consistency gives you a long lasting result. Talent is loud for a moment. Consistency is quick but permanent. In real life, consistent people beat talented people again and again because consistent people keep learning. Consistent people keep improving. Consistent people build habits. Consistent people don't depend on mood. Consistent people become unstoppable over time. If you are not talented, do not worry. If you are not smart, do not worry. If you are not rich, do not worry. You only need consistency to win. Chapter 3. Motivation vs consistency. Motivation is a feeling. Feelings change every day. Some days you feel energetic. Some days you feel lazy. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel hopeless. If you depend on motivation, you will fail because motivation never stays forever. Consistency does not depend on feelings. Consistency says, I will show up today even if I don't feel like it. This is where successful people are not more motivated. They are simply more consistent. Motivation is a spark. Consistency is fire. Chapter 4. Why people fail? The real reason. The biggest reason people fail is not lack of talent, lack of money, lack of time, lack of support. The biggest reason is lack of consistency. People start a new goal with excitement. They work hard for 2 days, then they stop. Then they wait for motivation to return. It does not return, and they give up. Success is not about starting strong. Success is about staying consistent. The world is full of people who start. The world is ruled by people who continue. Chapter 5. Small steps create big change. Many people quit because they take steps that are too big. They try to study 6 hours a day from the first day. They try to go to the gym for 2 hours every day. They try to change their whole life in 1 week. This is not consistency. This is burnout. Consistency starts with small steps. 20 minutes of study, 10 minutes of exercise, 15 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of meditation, 30 minutes of work on a project. Small steps are easy. Small steps are repeatable. Small steps become habits. Habits become results. Results become success. Chapter 6. Building the consistency mindset. To stay consistent, you need a mindset. A mindset that says, I will show up today. My progress might be slow, but it is progress. I only need to do something small. I am becoming better every day. Consistency is not a decision you take once. Consistency is a decision you take every day. Chapter 7. How to start consistency today. Here is simple 4 steps method anyone can start immediately. Step 1. Choose one small goal, not 10 goals. Just one example. Study 20 minutes a day, exercise 10 minutes a day, read 10 pages a day, practice English 30 minutes a day. Step 2. Fix a time. Your brain loves routines. Choose a simple daily time. Morning, afternoon, or night. Anything works. Step 3. Reduce the difficulty. Make it so easy you cannot fail. If you can't read 10 pages, read 5. If you can't do 10 push-ups, to do. If you can't study 20 minutes, study 5. Step 4. Repeat the action. Do it every day. Do not break the chain. If you miss one day, no problem. Just come back the next day. Consistency is not about never failing. Consistency is about never quitting. Chapter 8. Dealing with distractions. Consistency becomes difficult when distractions attract. Mobile, social media, games, Netflix, friends, noise, and your own mind. To stay consistent, follow these simple rules. Keep your phone away while working. Use a timer like 15 to 25 minutes. Reduce noise. Keep your workspace clean. Tell family, friends your daily routine. Start before checking your phone. Remove unnecessary apps. Remember, your phone is a tool. Don't let it become your boss. Chapter 9. Staying consistent when life gets hard. Life will not always be perfect. You will face stress, bad days, family issues, health problems, money problems, emotional struggles. Consistency does not mean ignoring problems. Consistency means doing a little bit even on tough days. On good days, do more. On bad days, do minimum. But show something. But do something. Success is not built on perfect days. Success is built on perfect days. Chapter 10. How to make consistency your identity. The strongest form of consistency is when it becomes your identity. You stop saying, I am trying to study every day. You start saying, I am person who studies every day. This small change creates powerful discipline. Identity builds habits. Habits build consistency. Consistency builds success. Chapter 11. The compound effect, how consistency multiples results. If you do something 1% better every day, you become 37 times better in a year. This is called the compound effect. A small daily improvements hug lifetime success. 20 minutes of learning daily. 120 hours in a year. 10 pages a day. 3,605 pages a year. 30 minutes of exercise daily. A healthier body for life. Practicing English daily. Fluency in months. Saving small money daily. A strong financial future. Consistency quickly builds your life. Chapter 12. Avoiding the traps that destroy consistency. There are 3 traps. Trap 1. Perfection. Trying to be perfect will make you quit. Be consistent, not perfect. Trap 2. Comparing yourself. Everyone has a different speed. Focus on your journey. Trap 3. Expecting fast results. Success takes time. Give yourself patience. Consistency plus patience equal unstoppable. Chapter 13. How consistency makes you different from others. Most people start quickly, quit quickly, get distracted easily, make excuses, blame others. Consistent people show up, improve slowly, build discipline, take responsibility, win silently. Success is not growed at the top because only consistent people reach there. Chapter 14. Practical daily routine for consistency. Here is a simple routine anyone can follow. Wake up and drink water. Do 10 minutes of improvement. Work on your main goal for 20-30 minutes. Take short breaks. Learn something new daily. Reduce screen time. Sleep well. A small rituals build a strong mindset. Chapter 15. Consistency in different areas of life. Consistency works everywhere. 1. Studies. Daily study makes you smarter than top students who study only before exams. 2. Fitness. So workouts every day, beat intense workouts once a month. 3. English speaking. Daily practice removes fear and builds fluency. 4. Money. Saving small amounts daily builds wealth. Career. 5. Career. Daily skill building gives long-term success. 6. Relationships. A small acts of kindness build strong bonds. Consistency is universal. Chapter 16. Success becomes inevitable. If you stay consistent, you don't need to worry about when will success come, how fast will success come, how big will success be. Consistency grants that success will come. Success becomes inevitable. Become consistency. Builds you, transforms you, strengthens you, makes you skilled, makes you disciplined, makes you confident. You don't just achieve goals, you become a person capable of achieving any goal. Chapter 17. Consistency builds trust in yourself. One of the biggest hidden benefits of consistency is self-trust. Most people don't trust themselves. They say I'll start something, but they don't. They make promises to themselves, then break them. They plan big things, but they stop after 2 days. Every time you break your own promise, something inside you become weaker. But when you stay consistent, even in a small way, the opposite happiness. You start telling your mind, I can depend on yourself. I finish what I start. I show up even when it's hard. This trust is stronger than motivation. This trust is stronger than talent. This trust becomes your inner energy source. When you trust yourself, success becomes easier because now you will not quit. Chapter 18. Consistency breaks laziness. Laziness is not a personality. Laziness is a habit, and habits can change. Many people think I am a lazy person. I can't stay disciplined. I get bored easily. I don't have willpower. But the truth is simple. You are not lazy, you are just inconsistent. Laziness grows when you stop. Discipline grows when you start. When you stay consistent for even 10 minutes a day, something changes. Laziness becomes smaller. Discipline becomes stronger. Your brain becomes sharpened. Your energy goes up. Your focus improves. Slowly, consistency destroys laziness from your life. Chapter 19. How consistency builds unseen skills. Consistency builds skill that you don't even notice at first. Example, if you study English 20 minutes daily in 3 months, your vocabulary improves. Your speaking becomes smooth. Your mind starts thinking in English. Your confidence grows. But you don't notice these changes day by day. They grow quickly. They grow silently. They grow naturally because of consistency. It's like watching your hair grow. You don't see the change daily, but after a few months, it's visible. Consistency hides progress until one day it shows everything. Chapter 20. Consistency creates disciplined mindset. A disciplined mind is not born, it is built. Every time you follow your routine, your mind respects you more. Every time you complete a small daily task, your discipline gets stronger. Every time you wake up and show up, your mind becomes more powerful. Consistency is the teacher. Discipline is the student. Every day you show up, the student learns. This is why consistent people look calm, focused, and consistent. Their mind is trained. Their habits are strong. Their emotions are balanced. Chapter 21. Why consistency makes life simple. Life feels complicated when you do things randomly. Life feels stressful when you act without a structure. Life feels messy when your habits are unstable. But when you are consistent, life becomes simple. You don't think too much. You don't waste time decaying. You don't feel confused. Your routine does the thinking for you. Consistency brings clarity, order, peace, focus, purpose. Many people think success makes your life better, but actually consistency makes your life better first. Success comes later. Chapter 22. How consistency makes you different without trying. Consistent people stand out without trying to impress anyone. People notice your discipline, your study improvement, your quit dedication, your relatively, your seriousness. Consistency shines quickly, and people naturally respect it. You don't need to talk big. Your habits speak louder. You don't need to show off. Your actions show everything. Consistency is attractive. Consistency is impressive. Consistency makes you rare. Chapter 23. Overcoming boredom with consistency. Many people quit because they get bored. But boredom is not the enemy. Boredom is the gate you must cross to reach success. Consistency teaches you to work even then things are not interesting. This skill separates achievers from ordinary people. Anyone can work when it feels exciting. Only consistent people work when it feels boring. And that is why they reach their goals. Boredom is not a signal to stop. Boredom is not a signal to stop. Boredom is a signal that your discipline is becoming stronger. Chapter 24. Consistency and confidence. The hidden connection. Confidence does not come from success. Confidence comes from consistency. Every day you show up, your confidence grows. Every day you push a little, your mind becomes stronger. Every day you complete your routine, you feel capable. Confidence grows from doing small things repeatedly, not from big achievements, not from prize, not from validation. Confidence is a result of your habits. The more consistent you are, the more powerful you feel. Chapter 25. How to make consistency easier. Consistency becomes easier when you reduce pressure. Here are simple ways. Don't set hug goals at the beginning. Focus on thing at a time. Keep your task small. Make your improvement clean. Sleep well. Drink enough water. Reduce screen time before work. Keep your task visible. Celebrate small achievements. A consistent life is built from simple daily setups. Success does not need complications. Success needs clarity. Chapter 26. Progress feels slow, but it is happening. Many people quit because they don't see progress fast. But progress is happening just slowly. Think of it like this. A seed grows underground before you see the plant. Your efforts grow inside you before results appear outside. Consistency is planting seeds every day. Results are the plants that appear later. You cannot see every small progress, but it is happening inside you. Your focus is improving. Your discipline is increasing. Your knowledge is growing. Your skills are sharpening. Progress is quick. Results are loud. Keep going until quit process becomes loud success. Chapter 27. Consistency teaches you patience. Patience is a powerful skill that every few people have. Consistency teaches patience naturally. When you repeat small actions daily, you learn. Not everything needs to happen fast. Growth takes time. Discipline takes time. Success takes time. Good things require waiting. Patience makes you calm. Calmness makes you stronger. A calm mind plus consistent actions equal unbeatable person. Chapter 28. How consistency improves your future automatically. When you are consistent, your future becomes practicable in a good way. You will become better, you will grow, you will improve, you will succeed. Your future stops depending on luck. Your future starts depending on your discipline. Consistency is the most reliable investment in your own future. Chapter 29. Consistency reduces stress and overthinking. Overthinking comes from lack of action. Stress comes from lack of clarity. When you stay consistent, you know what to do. You follow a simple routine. You don't worry about shortcuts. You don't guess your next step. You don't feel lost. Consistency gives your brain stability, and stability removes stress. Even a small routine gives your mind peace. Chapter 30. Consistency never lies. Your habits tell the truth about your future. If you read daily, you will become knowledgeable. If you save daily, you will become financially stable. If you study daily, you will perform well. If you exercise daily, you will become fit. If you work on your skill daily, you will master it. Consistency never lies. Consistency never cheats. Consistency always rewards. It might reward slowly, but it rewards surely. Final chapter. Closing message. Success is not complicated. Success is not magic. Success is not luck. Success is not talent. Success is a habit. Success is a routine. Success is consistency. If you follow the on rule, stay consistent, your life will improve. Your skill will grow. Your confidence will rise. Your dreams will come closer. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be extraordinary. You only need to be consistent. Start small, start simple, start today. Consistency is the on rule that can change your life forever.